What if your cosmetic claim suddenly turned your lotion into an unapproved drug? Yeah, this is a regulatory jump scare nobody wants, but everyone needs to understand. The line between cosmetics and drugs is not as blurry as you might think. Cosmetics are only supposed to do one thing: make you look good, smell good, make you feel a little fancy. Drugs are going to be treating diseases, affecting structure or function, providing therapeutic benefits. Most companies mean to stay on the cosmetic side of the fence, but then marketing happens. Suddenly, that moisturizing cream is anti-inflammatory. The serum stimulates collagen production. The exfoliant treats acne. These are not cosmetic claims. They are drug claims. They're drug claims wearing lip gloss. Any brand saying, "But I didn't intend it to be a drug," will learn very quickly that intent does not matter in these cases. The claim defines the category, not the formula, not the marketing plan, and not the founder's vision board. If you claim your lotion reduces pain, heals eczema, reverses aging, you're no longer in the beauty aisle. You're in drug land, whether you like it or not. The claims that trigger trouble include these following phrases: anti-inflammatory. The FDA is not a big fan. Pain relief or muscle soothing. That can move you into drug territory. Treats acne, rosacea, eczema, psoriasis. Drug claims. Restores collagen or rebuilds elastin. Corrects hyperpigmentation caused by diseases. Stimulates circulation, kills bacteria. It's antimicrobial. Here's the big one. We see this a lot. Detoxifies. If your brand is even using one of these, you're making therapeutic, structural, or functional claims. And influencers, they can make or break you. If you say that your mascara stops lash loss or your toner heals hormonal acne, the agency treats it as the same as you saying it. They are acting as your agent. Influencer disclaimers do not protect you. Opinions are my own. They help them to sleep at night, but it won't stop you from getting a warning letter, especially if you have an agreement with them. Most cosmetic entrepreneurs, even these large brands, and this is surprising to me, even these large brands, they assume it's a cosmetic, so FDA won't bother us. Incorrect. If it's natural, it's safe. Irrelevant. Everyone else says this stuff, so it must be okay. Nope. If we get into trouble, it's just a minor label change. Try adulteration, misbranding, recalls, online platform takedowns. The agency has been cracking down recently on cosmetics and drug confusion, and you've seen this actually happen for a few years. They're accelerating on the rise of derm-inspired, medically backed, and clinical-grade branding. Now, some brands say, "But we have science. We did a study." That's great. You should validate every claim. But substantiation does not change the classification. If a claim sounds like you're treating a disease or altering human physiology, it's a drug claim, even if you have peer-reviewed data. Cosmetic claims can have substantiation. Drug claims require approval. These are very different worlds. Very expensive, different worlds. Very different paperwork.
Enjoying our content? We'd love to hear more. Please like, comment, share, and find more.
Nobody in marketing wakes up thinking, "I'm going to cause a federal regulatory reclassification today." But it does happen. An enthusiastic intern writes, "Heals dry skin." The influencer says, "Cures acne." The founder adds, "Boosts immunity." The someone on TikTok said it's trending. Suddenly, you need regulatory triage. If panic were a cosmetic ingredient, every brand would be using it. So here's how you stay on the right side of the drug cosmetic boundary. This is what we use at KLF. Keep claims in the cosmetics lane. Moisturizes, smooths, brightens, cleanses, softens, exfoliates. Stay superficial. There's no shame in it. Train your marketing influencer teams. You should understand what they cannot say. One bad caption can turn a lotion into a drug. Build a review process. Have a compliance workflow. Preferably, it's not a Google document called final, this one, actually final, version 3, .doc. Ensure that substantiation matches the claim level. Cosmetics claims do require evidence. Clinically proven should just simply mean proven. Document everything, and this is where Sarah shines. It's a document control that version tracks, shows auditability, and makes sure the left hand knows what the influencer hand is doing. Review labels, websites, ads, social media, and affiliate content regularly. Because let's be honest, the FDA looks everywhere. And if the FDA is not, you know that lawyers are. Follow our page on LinkedIn. Now here's where KLF fits in and why brands call us before they get that warning letter. It's what we do. We do it every single day. We help cosmetic brands. We build legally sound claim frameworks. We train marketing, product, and regulatory teams. We review influencer and affiliate content. We design promotional review processes, evaluate whether a claim crosses into drug territory. We develop substantiation strategies, audit labeling and packaging. We help prepare for MOCRA expectations, substantiation. If you want to avoid calling me after that warning letter, call me before you get one. Visit www.kulkarnilawfirm.com, schedule a consult. Here's where Ceres can actually help you. Ceres is built for exactly this type of brand system. You centralize document sharing. You control access to claims, drafts, and marketing content. You track what influencer said what. You ensure that outdated claims do not resurface. You maintain clean audit trails. You document every step of the promotional process. The agency wants to know who approved this, want to be able to answer this in one click and not a frantic Slack channel at midnight. So that's the big takeaway. What if your cosmetics claim turned your lotion into an unapproved drug? That happens fast, it happens often, and it's preventable. Stay in the cosmetics lane, substantiate your claims, manage your influencers, and have a solid promotional review process supported by the right tool and the right legal team. And of course, subscribe to the KLF Deep Dive, because next week, the topic that you might listen to might save your next launch. Call, click, or email